minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down.
Hey YouTube. Okay, so today this video is gonna be a little different. I'm doing another nail review. This is the Ebin brand again in Mood to Classy. I got it from my local beauty supply store. It's in the long length and I got it for $9.98. Let me let y'all put it in some better lighting. Pretty nude color. Okay, so it says sculpted arch, and this comes with nail glue, nail file, cuticle stick, prep pad, and adhesive tabs. So y'all, I've been eyeing these for a while. Here are the adhesive tabs. I will not be using those. Here's the alcohol pad. Here are the nails. They are so pretty, y'all. I don't even think that the camera is picking up the right color. They are like a nude. Don't mind my background. I need to clean up my beauty room. So here is the emery board. Now I like this emery board that it comes with now. Now the other crazy stuff it be coming with, I don't like. Okay, so y'all may hear my kids in the background. Just ignore that. We got the rest of the pack of the nails. So I pretty much know my nail sizes already. So for the thumb, I'm gonna do a 0. I normally do a 1, but because they are so like tight fitting, y'all, I'm just gonna make it do what it do with this size 0. So we gonna do the 0. I don't know if y'all can. Yeah, so we're gonna do the 0, and then for my index finger, I'm gonna do the number 9. I would normally do a number 7. So for my middle finger, I'm going to do a number 5. For my pinky, because I'm gonna come back to the wedding finger. For the pinky, I'm gonna do a number 9. I start to do this 10. I probably should do this 10. Then again, I love the coverage that the 9 gives me. So here's the 7. Let's see. Do I want to do the 7 on the, and just do the 9 back here? Yep, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to move the 9 to the marriage finger. And I'm going to do a 7 for the index finger. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna put the rest of these nails back up. Oh boy, y'all, I can't tell you when the last time I did a nail video. It's been a minute. I know one of my Ebin nail, well, my last Ebin nail video went viral. I got a couple thousands of views. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna use my alcohol pad and just clean off my nails. And y'all, if I'm moving a little too fast, it's because I done ordered some pizza and I know I gotta hurry up and go get it. But I was like, you know what? These nails too cute to just be waiting. So I'm gonna go ahead and do me a video. Okay? Go ahead and do me a good little video. So, yeah. Then we gonna go ahead and push these cuticles back, y'all. Again, if y'all hear my my child in the background, he be on three-way with his kids. With other kids, y'all. And they just be talking about God knows what. I be listening to their conversation, so it don't be nothing like that. It be real kid-friendly, but it also be stuff I don't even understand. They be roasting each other and everything, y'all. And if my male subscribers are here, don't feel like just because I'm doing this video that y'all have to unsubscribe. If you do, you know what I'm saying, it's no love lost. But at the same time, you know, I do like a little beauty content. Okay? So, done pushing those back, and we're going to take this emery board. And we're going to get these nails rough so that when I glue them down, it will stick better. And y'all, when you use your emery board, you want to go one way. You don't want to go back and forth because you don't want to damage your nails. You want to go one way. It was between getting these. They got some new brown ones too. I think I like the new brown ones as well. I started to get those, but I don't too much care for nails like blending in with my skin a lot. So y'all know I like to use the Kiss nail glue because it lasts longer. Oh Lord, this one must be stuck. I be having some on standby, y'all. Okay, there we go. All right. So go ahead. And you can put it on the nail or the actual. This one is a little stuck, so I'm gonna open it baby back up. But be careful when you're putting it on your actual nail bed because you can really put too much on. And we don't want that. Gotta press it down real hard, y'all.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, that bitch, put
And
your
if you're new to my channel, welcome to the A game. Welcome to the honey bun game where everything is all sweet over here. Because who won't want to be a part of the sweet life? I know I do, and I know you do too. And if you're liking this video so far, you already know what to do, babe. I want to say I really do appreciate my old subscribers and my new subscribers for rocking with me. Like, y'all some real. Y'all, these are looking so good. So pretty and so natural. I really ain't have to put these on. I feel a sneeze coming on, y'all. And my ankles itching, which is another reason why I was like, you know what, let me go and put these nails on, because y'all, my head was itching so bad, and I can't scratch my head right when I ain't got no nails on. Comment down below if you feel like you itch. If you ain't got no rat tail comb close to you, your nails gonna do the trick. So get to that scalp, honey. Get to this scalp. So this is what we're looking like so far. That is so pretty, y'all. I love this shape. A little too long for my liking, but I love the shape. Okay, so let me kind of hurry up. don't matter if you start with your pinky or your thumb. Does not matter. And who knows, y'all, if I just like really like these, because they are a perfect fit. If I really like these for like the next couple of days, these probably gonna be my go-tos. Now, I love me a good French tip nail. I just feel like you cannot go wrong with French tip. But you can't go wrong with nude either, y'all. One blank period goes with everything. But I do have a good feeling I'm going to end up cutting these down. Almost done. And if the glue start bubbling up around the edges like that, just take that alcohol pad and just wipe it off. Now these nails really ain't got no little tip on the end that I would have to file down. They do, but they don't. So I'ma still just go across the top anyway. I'm glad I looked at that. I'm like, that one nice. Maybe I should just let it breathe for a minute. Then we gonna, I don't know if you can see them little tips. I do, but I don't. That's what I was saying. See, I don't want to mess up the little cute arch you got. But you can't really see the tips like that. Anyway, so we're gonna go in with our cuticle oil. Go around the cuticles. Rub these bad boys together. Y'all, they so thick. Can you hear the thickness in it? So thick. So pretty. Dang. I don't know what's up with this baby right here. Don't want to stick. Then I just put this oil on here too. With my shirt. Place this one down. So, but anyway, y'all. These right here. Final look. Hope y'all can see that. yeah. These are the final results, y'all. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.